If your Toyota RAV4 displays the warning, voltage abnormality of steering power low, it usually means the electric power steering system is not receiving stable voltage. Modern RAV4 models use electric power steering (EPS) instead of hydraulic systems, and the EPS relies heavily on battery voltage and electronic control modules. When the system detects low or unstable voltage, it reduces steering assist to protect the components. Try these. 1. Check the vehicle battery voltage. It should be around 12.4 to 12.7 volts with the engine off. 2. Inspect the battery terminals for corrosion or loose connections and clean them if needed. 3. Start the vehicle and allow it to idle for a few minutes to stabilize the electrical system. 4. Turn the steering wheel fully left and right once to help recalibrate the EPS system. 5. If the warning remains, disconnect the negative battery terminal for about 10 minutes, then reconnect.